What I'm working on here is a simple titanium solitaire band with a 5mm tube bezel. I'm making a simple solitaire ring with a titanium shank. And we'll start by welding the bottom side. My settings are 25 watt-seconds of energy, ultra on the range, 40 millisecond on the weld length, no agitation, standard ignition on the weld, 2.3mm diameter weld spot, 1mm weld depth. Now that we've got the setting tacked in place, we've cut our power back to 10 watt-second of energy, micro range, 8 milliseconds on weld length, still at no agitation, standard ignition. The weld size, the spot diameter is 1.5 millimeters, the depth is 0.6 millimeters. We need just a little bit softer heat where we're not blowing away the tube setting. The fill wire I'm using is sterling silver. The ring now has one side completely welded in. The next thing I'll be doing is cleaning up the one side, and I'll go on and weld the other.